Tigers howl, elements on fire. Fallen wolves know them, roaming mud empire. Gunning down the lanes, black steel by our side. Los Santos echoes with our untamed ride. Territory seized, iron horses roar. Smuggling the thunder, knocking on hell's door. Guns and drugs blow, shadows in plain sight. Each corner we conquer, battle till daylight. Clutch in hand we grip destiny tides. Fallen wolves rise through the darkest night. In the city of angels, devils in our veins. Tow trucks on respect our chains. Wind whisper sails of our relentless trail. Engines whine louder than freedom's scale. No lock and cage, hearts forged in flame. We chase the storm, victory or claim. When the night calls, chrome fangs gleam. Brothers in arms, we ride the same dream. Motorcycle guards in shadows we creep. Turf wars rage, secrets we keep. Los Santos turf, our kingdom unfolds. Beneath neon skies, legends retold. Strap up tight, face the wild hunt. In the city chaos, we take what we want. Clutch in hand, we grip destiny tides. Fallen wolves rise through the darkest night. In the city of angels, devils in our veins. Tow trucks on respect our chains. Clutch in hand, we grip destiny tight. Fallen wolves rise through the darkest night. In the city of angels, devils in our veins. Tow trucks on respect our chains. Wind whispers tales of our relentless tread. Engines whine louder than freedom's scale. No lock and cage, hearts forged in flame. We chase the storm, victory or claim. When the night calls, chrome fangs gleam. Brothers in arms, we ride the same dream. Motorcycle gods in shadows we creep. Turf wars rage, secrets we keep. Los Santos turf, our kingdom unfolds. Beneath neon skies, legends retold. Strap up tight, face the wild hunt. In the city chaos, we take what we want. When the night calls, chrome fangs gleam. Brothers in arms, we ride the same dream. Motorcycle gods, in shadows we creep. Turf wars rage, secrets we keep. Los Santos turf, our kingdom